In this question, we have to find surface area of the shaded region. So this is the shaded region. In this shaded region, this angle is 110 and we know the diameter is 30 centimeter. Okay, and we know, let's name it as A, B and C. Okay, we know that, and let it be O. We know that the angle COB is 110 degree. But we have to find out the surface area of this shaded region. So first of all, we have to find out the angle AO and C. We do not know what is the angle AOC. This is simple. A and B is a straight angle, right? Yes, it is a straight angle, and we know the straight angle is always 180 degree. Okay, now to find out AOC, we can find out as 180 degree minus 110 degree, which will be 70 degree. Okay, so we know that now the AOC is 70 degree. Now how to find out the surface? What is the formula for finding out the sector of the shaded region? We know the formula is pi r square into angle pi 360. Okay, so we know that pi is 3.14. okay, we know the radius is, diameter is 13, so the radius is 15 centimeter, which is the radius is always half of diameter. So 15 square into angle we find out as 70, so 70 by 360. Okay, now we can write it as 3.14. 15 square is 225, and we can cut this 0, so 7 by 36. Now I'm using my calculator to find it out the actual value. If I solve this in calculator, I'll find it as 137.37 centimeter square. So the surface area of the shaded region is 137.37 centimeter square. If you like the video, kindly please subscribe and like. Thank you.